Hello, I'm Nathan Green.
And I'm Benjamin Henderson, and welcome to Channel 5 News.
Today's main story is Congress is currently in session discussing the banning of tobacco products in the United States. Here to tell us about the effects of smoking on the body is Dr. Earl Gardner from the University of Chicago.
I'm Alicia Day reporting for Channel 5 News. Here I am with Dr. Earl Gardner of the University of Chicago to talk to us today about effects smoking has on the body. So, Doctor, what is the worst effect that smoking can have on the body ultimately?
Ultimately, smoking can cause death and various types of cancers in different parts of your body, which can cause death.
Okay. Now, what does smoking have an effect to your mouth?
Well, in your mouth, the tobacco and the cigarettes stain your teeth and make them yellow and rot over time, and it also can cause your gums to bleed. And it also can cause gum diseases and different cancers in your mouth area.
And what about your skin? Does it have any effect on your skin?
Well, in your skin, it also causes your skin to get dry and wrinkly and yellow. And it also, the bad smell of smoking sticks to your skin.
Now, does smoking have any effects on your muscles?
Actually, it does. It creates less blood and oxygen flow to your muscles, which will cause them to hurt more often.
Now, I know that smoking's main effect is on the lungs. Could you please explain to me what happens when you smoke to your lungs?
Well, when you smoke, the smoke damages your lungs over time. They can cause asthma, which means you have more times where it's hard to breathe, and sometimes it can cause your airway to close up and swell. And it can cause a various of lung diseases and cancers where your lungs just rot.
Now, we have very few time left, so I only have two more questions for you. Now, what can smoking do to hurt your heart?
Well, in your heart, smoking makes your heart rate beat faster, and it higher your blood pressure also. So it could cause heart attacks and other heart diseases. And also, if you try exercise or sports, your heart has to work harder to keep up with what you're doing.
Now, for my last question, what does smoking have to do with your brain?
Well, smoking in cigarettes, there's something called nicotine, which makes them very addictive. And this can go to your head, and some people I've heard of smoke up to 2 packs of cigarettes a day. And also, using tobacco in cigarettes can cause headaches and dizziness over time.
Thank you, Doctor, for your time.
Thank you.
I'm O'Connor, and I'm a representative for the state of California.
Hi, Congresswoman O'Connor. Tell us about the pros of banning smoking.
Well, we would save millions of children worldwide who are victims of secondhand smoking. And we would have cleaner streets and sidewalks, and 1,000 people a year die of fires due to cigarettes or tobacco causes, and we would reduce the amount of fires.
Okay. Tell us about the cons of banning smoking.
We would be destroying an $8.4 billion industry of tobacco, and 662,400 people would lose their jobs, but that is nothing close to the amount of people that die a year of smoking.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Now we're going to say a few facts about smoking. Did you know that 1,000 people die a year from smoking-related fires? And that 443,000 people die a year in the U.S. from smoking-related diseases. Also, 8.6 million people live with serious illnesses due to smoking. So please, don't smoke.
Please, do not smoke, man. That's some big numbers. Did you also know that if we banned smoking, it'd be destroying an $8.4 billion industry?
Yes.
Keep smoking, guys. 662,400 people in the United States would lose their job if we banned smoking.
That's a lot of jobs, people.
And we would be invading the right of privacy, I think.
Correct.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News. I am Nathan Green.
And I am Benjamin Harrison.
And we're going to tell you a couple of facts about cigarette smoking.
Did you know that the radiation from smoking a pack of cigarettes a day compares to almost 2,000 chest x-rays?
And did you know that urea, a chemical found in your urine, is added to cigarettes to enhance the flavor?
Yummy. Did you also know that breathing the air in Mumbai, India for just one day is the equivalent to smoking 2.5 packs of cigarettes?
Wow. Hey, speaking of that,
Let's try it.
you like?
Sure.
Oh!
Ugh,
That's nasty.
bad, guys.
That's nasty. Don't smoke.
don't try it.
Don't smoke.
And that is your report for Channel 5 News. I'm Benjamin Harrison,
And I'm Nathan Green.
and thanks for watching.